Okay, so I obviously don't look very Enchantress-y right now because it's cold in my basement where I film, and Enchantress's outfit is pretty cold, so I'm going to first put my hair out of my face. Looking great. This video will be a voiceover because it is currently 1:30 a.m. And I'm probably way too tired to explain anything, and I'm pretty sure future me will be able to explain stuff much better than I will. So. Alright, so first thing we're going to do is apply a base. I'm going to be applying it first with a sponge, and then I'm going to apply it with a brush just to get a more cakey look, because Enchantress looks a little bit cakey in the movie. And I'm going to powder it with a big powder brush. Moving on to eyes, you're going to need a gray eyeshadow, a black liner, and a white eyeshadow. I first lay out a base using the gray of where we're going to make our smoky eye. She goes all the way up to the brow bone. Also, don't do what I did and apply a black straight to it, because it was a little bit too insane. So just stick to the gray. But you want to fill it in all the way up to the eyebrow bone, and then sweep it down onto the bottom. Basically, embrace your worst makeup day ever. And then just keep deepening it and applying as much as you think you need. Then contouring with a duo-fire brush. And then I'm using one of these little blush brushes that you get with blushes for contour, lining my eyes and then smudging it out. And then putting white on the lash line, and then contouring the bottom of my lip to make it look more like Kara's. Now for her writing, we're just going to use a cream liner and a tiny little brush. I will leave links to the photos that I used for this, even though we still haven't seen a detailed picture of what's written on her forehead. But yeah, this is the best I could do. Alright, so that is the face done. I will leave a link, maybe, to the little occult symbols that I felt fit most to Enchantresses, even though we have not seen any of the actual ones up close. So I will leave those in the description box, hopefully, if the thing will let me look at the actual picture. But anyway. So now I'm going to go put on my Enchantress top and my beads, and then we will get to the rest of the dirt, because I think I went a little bit crazy on my contour down here. Let's just fix that right up. So first of all, I stupidly put stuff in the dryer, but this is my costume, my Enchantress costume. It's 90% finished. I wanted to finish it, like get it at least halfway done before this tutorial. All my beads are hand sculpted. This whole necklace is hand sculpted, this is hand sculpted, my bra and my little charmy thingies are hand sculpted, and I got my chains. My wig is hand styled by me. This needs to be fixed, but it's good for now. But yeah. So she's still under construction, but you know, I wanted to get it done for this tutorial, so here's halfway done Enchantress. So let's move on to the body stuff. My wig's stuck in my bra. Yay! And now we're just going to cover pretty much our entire body in a black eyeshadow. I'm using a black mineral eyeshadow, but basically that's pretty much it. After this, you have achieved ultimate enchantress-ness. That's not a word, but hope you guys enjoy this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section, and if you want to know how to aid this, then please tell me and I will make a video for it. Until then, watch out for Batman.